Hello and welcome back to cooking every single recipe in the official Stardew Valley cookbook. Today we're making shrimp cocktail. Don't forget to subscribe and vote for what I make next in the comments below, and check out my other channel. I game stuff over there. You're gonna start this recipe off by cutting a pound of grape tomatoes in half. Now you're going to take 4 cloves of garlic and lightly smash them. And then you're going to grab 1 small shallot and thinly slice it. Then you're going to put it all into a baking dish. Going to drizzle 3 tablespoons of olive oil over it and season liberally with salt. You're then going to mix it together and put it in the oven for at 325 for 80 minutes, stirring every 20 minutes. After the 80 minutes, you're going to stir in 1.5 teaspoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, a pinch of ground cloves, a pinch of ground allspice, and then you're going to mix that all together and throw it back into the oven for an extra 15 minutes. Now you're going to take 2 pounds of extra jumbo shrimp peeled and deveined, and then you're going to put them on a rimmed baking sheet. You're going to drizzle 2 tablespoons of olive oil on it, season with salt and pepper, stir it all together, and throw it in the oven at 425 for 10 minutes. Once your tomatoes are cooled, you're going to put them into a food processor and blend until relatively smooth. Final thing you're going to prep, you're going to want to grate 2 to 3 packed tablespoons of horseradish. Do not do it like lengthwise, because it does not grate on the small side. Like it does not grate on the width because of the grain, I guess. Did not realize how hard horseradish was to grate. It's miserable, but it was yummy. After you're done with the horseradish, you're going to get 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice and 1.5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce with 2 to 4 dashes of hot sauce as desired. And then you're going to just mix that all together, and bam, you're done the sauce and the whole meal in general. This was very good. Shrimp itself is just amazing. Shrimp is such a good, yummy seafood. And the sauce, even though there was 2 tablespoons of horseradish, not that overpowering. My nose was not burning while eating it. But yeah, definitely would make this again. I would give it 9 out of 10.